Stop blindly testing SQL injection payloads. This is part 1 of breaking down complex payloads, so you finally understand why they work. Our goal is to exploit a vulnerability in the search filter. Just by clicking on a category, we can see a variable is being used to keep our search parameter, allowing us to assume the SQL query will look something like this, to display the correct items based on what we searched. Now, let's try adding these characters to the search filter. Notice how the page is showing 3 items, but when we hit enter, we now see a 4th product. This tells us there's an additional condition in the query, probably to hide items that are out of stock or ones that are releasing in the future. We know this because these 2 hyphens are common indicators in SQL. What this means is that, like in other languages, when you want to leave a description of what the code does, it treats them as strings and no longer as functional code. Therefore, when combined with a single quotation mark, our search parameter will only contain the category, completing a valid query. However, because the rest of the code is behind 2 hyphens, it's commented out and will not be executed, allowing us to review a product they didn't want us to see initially. We'll be exploring more complex payloads in the next episode, so if you want to improve your understanding, make sure to follow.